Hello YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about bullish and bearish engulfing candles. So what is a bullish engulfing candle? A bullish engulfing candle is a candle that fully engulfs the previous candle. Now I've got this programmed to show engulfing candles in blue. You've got these blue arrows under the engulfing candles. So if we zoom in right here, you'll see this green candle right here, and it completely engulfs the previous candle, this guy. So here's the high of the red candle, the previous candle. Here's the low, right? And if we look at the green candle, there's the low, and there's the high. So the green candle completely engulfs the red candle. That is what we call a bullish engulfing candle. Let's get rid of this 1 second. So this guy engulfs this guy. And the theory is whenever you have a bullish engulfing candle, the stock keeps going up. Whenever you have a bearish engulfing candle, the stock keeps going down. So let's see if we can find another bullish engulfing candle, see if our theory applies. Here are a couple of blue arrows over here. Let's see what we have here. Okay, this guy's engulfing this guy. It's kind of hard to see, so I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. So this guy's engulfing this guy. Let's take a look-see. See if he's truly engulfing the other guy. Gonna zoom in, make this guy bigger. As you can see, the high of this green candle is above the previous candle's high, and the low of the green candle is below the previous candle's low. Therefore, this candle is engulfing this candle. And the theory states, whenever you have a bullish engulfing candle, what happens? Like magic, the stock keeps going up, 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 right? Let's look for another one, see if we can find another one here. We're looking for the blue. Where is it? Okay, here it is right here, right? So bullish engulfing candle, engulfing this guy. We're gonna zoom in, right? This green candle's high is higher than the previous candle. You always look at the candle, you always compare it to the candle on the left. So this green candle's high is higher than the previous candle's high, and this green candle's low is lower than the previous candle's low. Therefore, it's engulfing the previous candle. If you take a closer look, it's actually engulfing the two previous candles, which makes it theoretically stronger, right? Right? The green candle's high is higher than the previous candle's high, and the previous candle's high, and the green candle's low is lower than the previous candle's low, and the previous candle's low. So that usually tells us there's some sort of an upward move coming, right? It could be a short-term upward move, a long-term upward move, but there will be an upward move. So this candle closed at 98.15. This is Bitcoin we're charting here. And the next day, look, it opened higher. You could have made a little bit of money if you had calls. And it went higher, came lower, and closed higher. So you could have took some profits there, right? Of course, the next day it collapsed. And this theory is not 100% bulletproof, right? But you still had an opportunity to make money. All right, let's look for one more. Here's another one, this green candle right here, right? We're gonna zoom in, right? Aha! There's something wrong with the code. Even though it's got a blue arrow, it's not a bullish engulfing candle because this candle's high is not higher than the previous candle's high, and this candle's low is not lower. It's actually lower than the previous candle, but the high is not higher. So this is not a bullish engulfing candle. So you might want to ask yourself, well, why the stock keep going up if it's not a bullish engulfing candle? Well, I have two theories. One, this candle kind of looks like what we call a doji or a hammer. A hammer is where you have the tail and the body at the top. Usually with the hammers, you don't want any wicks at the top, right? And the second theory is there's actually nothing wrong with the code because I coded it. This this blue arrow shows up when it's a bullish engulfing candle, or when it's a candle that has a higher close than the previous candle, right? So this candle opened here and closed here, and its close is higher than this guy, and it has to be a lower low green candle. So that's our lesson for the day, folks. Have a good one, and we'll catch you on the next lesson. Bye.